Hello, I'm Ivan Goncharov, an immigration lawyer. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of how to access your personal data in the Schengen Information System, or SIS II, if your information was recorded by Finnish authorities. In Finland, individuals have the right to direct access. This means that if you believe your name is listed in SIS II, maybe due to a visa refusal, border issue, or another alert, you can apply directly to the local district police. Now, the request must be made in person. When applying, you'll need to present proof of identity, such as a passport or official ID. This personal appearance helps ensure the security and confidentiality of your data. Access to SIS II data in Finland is generally free of charge unless you're requesting inspection more than once within a year. In that case, a fee may apply for subsequent requests. The police who manage the SIS II register are obligated to give you access to the relevant data without undue delay. If you ask in writing, they are also required to provide a written explanation of the information stored about you. If the police refuse access based on grounds like protecting ongoing investigations or state security, they must provide a certificate stating the reason for refusal. In that case, you can escalate your case to the National Data Protection Authority, which acts as an oversight body. They can review the decision and, if needed, make a binding ruling. Appeals against the Data Protection Authority's decisions can also be taken to the administrative courts and ultimately to the Supreme Administrative Court under Finland's law on personal data. This entire process is grounded in national legislation, including the Data Protection Act and the Police Data Protection Act, which define your rights and the limits of police authority. To recap, in Finland, access to your SIS II data must be requested in person at your local police district. Bring valid ID. If you're refused, you have a legal pathway to appeal through the National Data Protection Authority and the court system. For full guidance, links, and contact details, check the description below this video. And as always, if you need help preparing your request, understanding your legal position, or challenging a denial, I'm here to support you. Thanks for watching.